Hello everyone, welcome to Market Recap with Charting Wizards. So let's start with Nifty as usual and see how where Nifty is going to lead in the move in the coming week. So coming to weekly time frame. So as we can see, price has almost filled this gap and formed a doji-like candle, signaling an indecisiveness on the weekly time frame. So as you can see, right now prices are in a downtrend, and we have come to this important zone where the index started to rally previously with the with breakout, and now right now as you can see prices did give a form a reversal candle in the daily time frame, but after 2 days of up move, it took resistance from 9 EMA in daily time frame, and in hourly it took resistance from 50 EMA and then gave a big gap down, 2.2 percentage on single day, and then it did not break above previous day's high, and again it is falling. So as you can see, coming to daily time frame, for any reversal to happen, it has to make it has to close above previous day's highs and close, and in the hourly time frame it has to close above previous lower highs. So which is right now the previous lower high in the hourly time frame stands at 23,866. So it has to form a structure, not just candle, it has to form a structure something like this. I was expecting a double bottom breakout, something breaking above, price breaking above previous high in the hourly time frame and then moving up. Not just that, then it has to continue with the lower highs and higher highs and higher lows. So it has to go up something like this. Only then we can see a reversal for a short time. I'm not expecting a reversal for long term, but a pullback in the daily time frame is essential. Um, Under retest towards 21 EMA. That was I was expecting, but since the markets have something else to say, it has closed it down. As per GIF Nifty, in the hourly time frame, we have closed below previous weekly low, that is like well below 23,000 levels at 22,840. So my next targets in the as per GIF Nifty would lead towards 22,700 and 22,470. So we'll be opening gap down tomorrow in Nifty much below 22,920. So which could lead us towards 22,550 and also towards 22,200. This is where the index is leading. It has not given a reversal right now. So any rise is being sold off unless we have clear structure where the price is making higher highs and higher lows. It is not good to hold longs for BTST trades. So you have to be careful and don't take huge positions on the long side. So that is my view and my expected targets I have shared. And there is a reversal. It has to break above this high. For anything to break, first, the resistance will be towards 22,500. I'll move this level to this high since it is not being broken on the upside. 23,380 will be my first level of resistance, and then it has to break above 23,860, 870, and it has to close. And then slowly makes higher highs and higher lows and then move up towards 24,420. That is the maximum level as of now I'm expecting, but it is also not happening right now. The index is very strongly bearish, and as you can see, the markets closed in very strong red on Friday. And we'll have a look at them also. And coming to Bank Nifty, again from the weekly time frame, as you can see, we closed in doji at previous resistance levels. Now it should act as support right now, but we never know what will happen. So as you can see, price did break above previous day high, but did not close. Closing is very much important, where we can confirm that price has shown some strength. Where this is where the institutions come and close the index, giving a signal that the index is strong or anything. A reversal is about to happen. So, when it did not happen, we cannot expect the market to go up. So, as you can see, once we'll be opening gap down. Once this breaks down, I think there is a huge gap pending in the Bank Nifty. We might drop to 52,500 and 600 levels and then slowly move towards 51,950. The targets on the Bank Nifty are higher because there are huge gaps, and I expect a strong down move in the banking sector. And 51,000 will be the next target. So we have two targets in Nifty and Bank Nifty. That is my view. And coming to global markets, equity indices, we'll speak only of equity indices right now. So SPX, XPX index has closed below, slightly below previous support levels. So as you can see in the weekly time frame, it has come to 50 EMA and a strong bearish close. As of now, it doesn't look like it is going to stop now. The move has only started right now. That is what I feel, since the market has broken support, and we might see a pullback and then again drop. Then we coming to Nasdaq, it is at important support zone again, which is important for the price to hold. If not, then we'll start to see a sell-off coming in the market in the uh, coming days. Then we have Dow Jones. Dow Jones is also at support, and as you can see, it has broken the previous daily support, previous daily swings, and right now it is dropping. Looking at other markets, Germany is down with breaking down its support very strongly, and 3.5 percentage down. Nikki is also down. As you can see, weekly is in downtrend. And then we have multiple indices closing down: UK, Australia, and all of these indices are coming down very strongly. So the global market is feeling the pressure of the war, but the chart is clearly saying the market is not going to stop anywhere soon right now. And as of now, the equity indices is seeing any pull sell off or any pullback. So that is my view. Do not buy any stocks in huge quantities unless you have experience to handle or previously traded down moves. So you have to be careful. That is my view. And coming to commodities, commodities are seeing record volatility, and a trader who is good enough to handle can handle it very smoothly. So as you can see from the monthly time frame, the gold has corrected by 14%, 15, almost 15 percentage till now. We have 7 trading days left for this month, seven, and right now the gold is down from the top. And since I have mentioned about correction coming, and I have been warning about climax top formation. From there it has corrected by 20 percentage. As you can see, this was the correction, and right now almost 20 percentage correction, just a few percentage missed. 20 percentage correction from the top. This is not going to stop. I will head towards 200 EMAs come in the coming week, and then we might as well head towards monthly 21 EMA, which stands at 3,700. That is my view. So since gold started its rally from the 2,100 levels, and it went on to make a high of 5,600, just missed by 1 point. So we'll see a correction in the monthly time frame, because as per this, as you can see, the trend started in 76 and went all the way to 1998. 4 years of uptrend, and then price give did not break above 1980 levels for 28 years, and then it came to that high only on 2008 in November and 2008. So almost 28 years of price not making this high. So again, we might tend to see prices not coming to this level if we confirm a reversal in the weekly time frame too. So as of now, the trend has not changed in the daily. It has not broken below this previous daily low. So once it starts to break and daily structure changes to bearish and weekly structure changes to bearish, then we can confirm slowly that price is reversing and it might fall more. So as of now, I was clear that price is not good for buying in gold. So the rally start again. I'm mentioning the rally started at 2010, from 2100 levels with the cup and handle breakout, and it has completed all the targets. Right now, you have to be careful and not jump into gold buying. If you are a long-term investor, you can simply wait and plan for the gold buying after a few months or week. a year or two. And coming to silver again, so this also completed a big target level. So as you can see, there was a double breakout first from here and then here. So and it has already completed targets. Right now it is down by 27% in the monthly time frame, and 7 days to close. 7 trading days still pending to close. And again, we have support here. So once it starts to break and the structure changes to bearish in the uh, daily and weekly time frame, we might see gold falling, silver falling to record levels, because previous rallies have said the same, that once it starts to fall, it usually to comes below previous weekly lows. So again, after moving from 4.94 to 50 levels, it came to 3.5, giving negative returns. Again, we might see prices coming to test 49 first, and then we might, if there is more selling, then we could also test 28 too. So you have to be very cautious in silver. Don't get trapped into this. And coming to crude is where the game is happening. So as you can see, just a minute, yeah, we have seen a very strong up move in crude right now. Weekly is not looking good. Just prices were sideways for the most part of the day, for the last 1 week. And WTI is in backwardation with compared to Brent crude oil. Brent crude oil is up by very strongly moving up, but WTI is not moving. It could be due to geopolitical tension or supply crunch happening because of the closure of Strait of Hormuz. And I want to mention about copper here. So copper, I have previously shared the chart that the monthly breakout, right now, this was the monthly breakout. Now it is being retested in the monthly time frame. So if you are holding copper for long term or any plans to hold it, so you just have to be cautious here. If the price doesn't hold here, it will be an exit for long term copper holders. So you just have to be careful. And dollar index is getting stronger, and it has to close above 100.4 for any up move. And USD INR, it's very strongly bearish, and it is falling rapidly. As you can see, it was down by 84 basis points on Friday, and 93.78 was the high. So it is very falling very strongly. So you have to be careful with the USD INR. And coming to SPGSI commodity index, as you can see, it is heading towards a multi-year breakout. And Thomson Reuters commodity bureau index, so this is also is trading nearby 2011 high. So as you can see, the prices are very strongly in uptrend, and the uh, monthly candle is looking very strong. So you just have to be careful about what is about to come in the coming months. This kind of candle is rarely seen. As you can see, very simply see there's a 17% move, the kind of candles we haven't seen for a very long time. So we could see more pain in the coming months. Inflation is going to skyrocket. And I have been mentioning about SPGSI, and I also track I've been sharing it multiple times that crude, when it starts to move, that's when the commodity cycle starts begins. So you have to be careful. And right now, that's all for today. We'll see if there is an update or any stock specific trade. I'll update in the channel. Thank you.